Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you can see 2003 Toyota Echo. It came for the oil change and I'm performing bunch of inspections. One of them should be definitely inspecting MAF as a MAF sensor, right? That's a part of the intake. So let's go and look if we can find it in the engine. Oh yeah, do you see it? It's right there in front of the airbox. So here is our MAF sensor. It's located right here. Let's go and see if it's dirty or if it needs some cleaning. To remove the MAF sensor, in this case, I will first disconnect electric connector by pushing on this, right? And moving it backwards away from it. Yep, I can see it wasn't done for a long time, and now I will need the Phillips screwdriver for these two screws. I first cleaned all the dust and dirt off, and now I will use this Phillips screwdriver, right? Make sure it's nicely engaged, because sometimes it can happen it was never removed actually, right? Who knows? Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to remove these small screws. And here we have the sensor itself, and look at the wires, right? I'm surprised, because normally on Toyotas, I don't know what I will say percentage, 70% of the cars, trucks, SUVs, vans I touch, the MAF sensor is never cleaned, right? It's always dirty, the wire. Right here, right, it's dirty. But look at this one. I look at it close. This one's clean. There's one more wire inside over there, but it will be the same. If this one is not dirty from at least one side, everything is fine. So I will say this one definitely is in good condition, and I don't have to recommend to the owner cleaning of the sensor. This is awesome. As you can see, this is extremely easy, and I believe everybody can do at least the inspection. If you want to see how you clean those MAF sensors, I have definitely a bunch of videos on different cars on this channel, and the procedure will be the same. So thank you for watching today, my friend, and make sure you are subscribed, because I have a ton of videos coming to you very soon.